Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript front-end web tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to create a mouse right-click custom pop-up menu using a JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output of our application. Creating a display custom pop-up menu when mouse right click. Notice here, when I click the mouse right click, I got the pop-up window. See, this is a custom pop-up window, home, about us and context. This is a small navigation menu, pop-up menu. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a JavaScript tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder, I will create one new HTML file called right click pop-up menu, popup.htm. And here we got the newly created HTML file is open. Now let me minimize this Explorer as well as I am closing this welcome page. Now let's start the coding part. First, let's add simple doc type HTML. Close the HTML tag. We'll add the header section. After the header section, I am adding the body element. Now inside this body element, I am adding the center tag h1. How to create a mouse right click display custom menu, display custom pop-up menu using JavaScript. After that, I am adding one horizontal line. After the horizontal line, I am adding one div element. This div element is our pop-up window, pop-up menu. When I click the mouse right click, div. Now UL, inside this UL we require the list elements li, href is equals to which is the home, li, let's copy this one, and this one. Now we'll add about us, and the last one, just for the demo purpose, I am adding only 3 links only. Contact. That's it. Now these are the items I want to display when a user clicks the right click. I want to open a pop-up menu items. After that, we require the script tag. Now inside the script, I am defining one function show pop-up menu, which is an event dot prevent default. Now here I require the x and y position of our mouse. X is equals to the cursor, x and y position of our cursor, event dot client x variable y is equals to event dot client y. Now I want to display the pop-up menu, so variable, define one variable pop-up menu, document dot get element by id. What is the pop-up menu? This one, this div element which I am adding id is equals to pop-up menu, id is equals to pop-up menu. Let's add this one, pop-up menu, copy this one and paste here. Now we need to set the position of the pop-up menu. Pop-up menu dot style dot display block. Display is equals to, I am adding block. Now we require the x and y positions also. Pop-up menu dot style dot left is equals to x plus pixels. Pop-up menu dot style dot top y is equals to y plus pixel. Now we require, this is a show pop-up menu. Now I need to hide the pop-up menu also. So function hide pop-up menu variable pop-up menu. Let's declare one more variable, pop-up menu is equals to document dot get element by id. This one I want to hide. Pop-up menu. After that, the style is none. Instead of displaying block, I want to display none. That's it. Now we require the window dot add event listener context menu, comma, we need to add this show pop-up menu. Copy this one, show pop-up menu, again another window dot add event listener, click event, this one hide pop-up menu. Copy this one and paste here, hide pop-up menu. Now let's add some style also. Style let's add class is equals to pop-up. When we add this class, we need to add the dot pop-up. Now the styles are display. First I want to display none, position, absolute position. After that, the border I am adding 1 pixel, solid black, padding 10 pixels, border radius 15 pixels, font size also I am adding, let's add large, and I am adding the background color also, background linear gradient to right, comma, the color I am adding, we'll change this color to pink, white, and let's add the yellow color. Make it light. That's it. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. Save. We'll check the final output of our application. Open File Explorer. On the desktop, my folder I have created in the E drive, JavaScript tutorials. This is the file name, right click pop-up menu. And here we got the final output of our application. How to create a mouse right click display custom pop-up menu using JavaScript. When I click mouse right click, notice here home, about us and contact. What I'll do is we remove this bulleted list also. UL style is equals to list style type none. That's it. Just remove this bulleted list. Now we'll check the final output of our application. Again, I am reloading the browser. Let's check the final output of our application. Creating a display custom pop-up menu when mouse right click. Notice here, when I click the mouse right click, I got the pop-up window. See, this is a custom pop-up window, home, about us and contacts. This is a small navigation menu, pop-up menu. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a mouse right click display custom pop-up menu using a JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.